Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibe. Have you ever faced that heart-dropping moment when your SD card stops working or your important files just vanish? Whether it is travel photos, client videos, or crucial documents, losing data can be a nightmare. But don't panic, in today's video, we are diving into an incredibly powerful tool that can help you recover your lost files quickly and safely. Wondershare Recover It. With a success rate of up to 99.5%, this software supports over 2000 plus storage devices and file types, and it works on both Windows and Mac. Click the link below to download the software. After downloading and installing the program, launch Wondershare Recover It, and you will be greeted with a clean user-friendly interface. Here you will find various recovery options. At the top you have quick access to external drives, hard drives, disk images, the desktop, specific folders, and even the recycle bin for recovering recently deleted files. SD card recovery: restore deleted files directly from SD card, photos, videos, and more. Enhanced recovery: a deeper, more advanced scan for better recovery for media file. Corrupted video repair: fix damaged or corrupted video files and restore them to original quality. System crushed computer: recover data from computer that were not boot up or have crushed. NAS Linux recovery: a versatile solution for a wide range of data loss situations. Let me quickly show you a demo. I have a folder with some files in it which I am going to delete. As you can see, I have placed different types of files in this folder: Excel sheets, PowerPoint reports, Word documents, audio files, videos, PDF, and images. Now I will delete all these files. As you can see, the folder is now completely empty. I will also go ahead and empty the recycle bin. Now let's move on and recover the deleted data. Select the folder or drive from which the data was deleted. Once you select the location, Recover It will automatically start scanning for lost or deleted files. First, a quick scan is completed to find recently deleted files. If you still don't find your files, Recover It automatically switches to deep scan mode. As you can see, deep scan has started and it is currently finding more files. At the top you will see two tabs: file location and file type. The file location tab helps you navigate through different drives and folders. The file type tab categorizes your scanned file into photos, videos, audio files, documents, and more. This makes it much easier to quickly find and recover the specific file you are looking for. I have found my folder that was deleted and all the data has been restored, including the recently deleted files and those I deleted some time ago. Now you can either select the specific data you want to recover or select the entire folder and click on the recover button. Choose the location where you want to save the recovered data. I will create a new folder here. And as you can see, all my data has been successfully recovered, including audios, videos, images, PDF, Excel files, everything. And that's how easily you can recover your lost or deleted file using Wondershare Recover It. Whether it is documents, videos, photos, or any other file type, Recover It makes the recovery process simple and reliable. With Wondershare Recover It, you can recover data from hard drives and also explore many additional features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You will find the download link for Wondershare Recover It in the description below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.